Hello friends and welcome to 10th standard. This is our first session, this is our first video in which we discuss only about science paper part 1 and part 2, syllabus, marking scheme and paper pattern. Friends, this year we are going to study two books, Science and Technology part 1 and Science and Technology part 2. This Science and Technology part 1, it has physics and chemistry in it, whereas Science and Technology part 2, it has biology and environment. This year in syllabus we have 10 chapters each in part 1 and part 2. We have to solve two papers, theory papers, part 1 40 marks, part 2 40 marks. So in all we have to solve 80 marks theory paper and internal we have 20 marks. So in this 20 marks the distribution is like that. Practical exam, it is of 12 marks. Then for practical book, we have 4 marks. And this year we have to solve or we have to complete two projects. One on part 1 and one on part 2. For these two projects, whenever we submit this project, that project report or project book we can say we have 4 marks. So internal 20 marks assessment is there and theory papers are of 80 marks. So in this way total 100 marks subject is this. Then board has given chapter wise mark distribution for part 1 and part 2 also. So in this chapter wise distribution you can see the chapter wise distribution in this video, and by pausing that video you can write it on your book. So this chapter wise distribution, it is given by board with option and without option also. Now let us see the paper pattern. I will give you the paper pattern here. Suppose we will take for science part 1. So the paper is of 40 marks. Question number 1, it is completely objective question. It is of 10 marks, in which question number 1A, it has MCQs. And for solving this question we have to write the option number also. That means suppose the option A is correct, then we have to write A. Then the marks can be given. So question number 1A, it is MCQ, it is for 5 marks. And question number 1B, it has all types of objective questions for 1 mark each. And there is no option in this question number 1. So it is also for 5 marks. In question number 1B, fill in the blanks is not the option there. All other objectives are present in this question number 1B. So it is for 5 marks. So in this way question number 1 is of 10 marks. Question number 2 is also for 10 marks. In this question number 2, question number 2A, it is nothing but the scientific reasons. It is for specially for scientific reasons, and out of 3 we have to solve any 2. So that is nothing but it gives you 4 marks. Correct answers can give you 4 marks. So here there is option, and from these 2 for part 1 at least 1 should be from physics and 1 should be from chemistry. So it is given. Then question number 2B, it is for 6 marks. Here also short answer questions are there. So that means we have to solve 3 questions out of 5. So here also there is option, and from these 5 questions at least 2 from physics and 2 from chemistry. So this is about question number 2. So in all, question number 2 is of 10 marks. Then let us see question number 3. Question number 3, it is for long answer questions. That means the 3 marks question. So this is for 15 marks. This question is for 15 marks. Here is also option. Out of 8 questions, we have to solve 5 questions. So each question can give you 3 marks, and therefore in this way this question is of 15 marks. Here also option is there, lot of option is there. Then question number 4, and from this also, out of these 8 questions, 4 must be from physics and 4 must be from chemistry. Then question number 4, it is for 5 marks. So 2 questions can be asked. Out of these 2, we have to solve 1 question for 5 marks. So it is long answer question, and it is not descriptive question, but 5 small questions of 1 mark each can be asked, or a paragraph can be given. From that paragraph the questions can be asked. So in this way question number 4 is for 5 marks. So in this way the paper pattern is there, and similar paper pattern is there for paper 2 also. So in paper 2, instead of physics and chemistry, there are biology and environment. So this is about question paper pattern. So this is our short video. In this video we see syllabus, paper pattern and marking scheme. From next video we will start our first lesson from part 1, that is gravitation. Thank you.